Hey guys, welcome. In this video easily I will show you how to add music on Meta Business Suite. So guys, in order to access the setting, we will have to actually find the sound setting. Alright, so it's not called music, it's sound. In order to do this, navigate to the left pane right here and press on All Tools. And now guys, instead of searching for this manually in the list, in the search, just type in sound. Okay, and you need this Engage Audience and Sound Collection button. Click on it. You will, as you can see, be able to enhance your videos or audio content with rights cleared music or sound effects and use it on businesses and etc. So this is a copyright-free music, of course, that you can easily use on your page. Just click. You will be redirected to a new page with sound effects. Alright, so now as you can see, we have this home page of sound collection. Now in here, of course, it's really up to you what you want to do, but I will just explain to you the basic functionality of this little service. Right, so there are 3 buttons, as you can see, next to the track, 4 actually. So you can choose multiple, right, or you can just choose one. You can also add them to favorites, as you can see by using this button, if, for example, you want to save them for later. But in general, just like I said, this is a copyright-free music, so if you really want, you can even download these tracks right to your computer. So for that, you just click on this download button, and as you can see, this Dark Angel track is now downloaded in the MP4 format. So I suppose the formats will be different depending on the track, but in also sound effects, you also have some sounds. As you can see, we have the short ones that you can also add to favorites. So download, as you can see, we have the bubble pop, for example, right? So you can easily freely use these. And also, guys, if you want to find something specific, it's also very simple. You can, as you can see, search by the artist, song title. You can also sort them by most popular, recently added. You can choose a genre. Let's say, for example, you want to choose pop, right? You just type in pop. You choose pop, moods, for example, dancey, duration, as you can see, we have 2+ minutes max, vocals, whether the track has vocals or not, or it's just simply electronic, and the tempo. And after that, when you find what you wish, you can just download, save for later, play them, of course, if you wish for a preview, and you can also copy this attribution information, for example, if you want to paste it in the video or something, and also copy the song link. So that's how you add the music, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.